Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Back at it again with another boring video. Now this one is my haul from San Jose and San Francisco. Last week we went there just to kind of like relax and unwind and spend more time with the family. And yeah, it was a very long trip, but every time we go there, I truly enjoy. Don't expect anything like Gucci in this video or anything like that because I'm not in that point in my life that I'm gonna be wasting that much of a money. I'm not saying like it's a waste of money. I know those things are so good and so well worth the price, at least some are. But like anyway, going back, let's start with the items that I purchased at San Jose. So first we went to a Morphe store. Now I didn't really intend to buy something in the Morphe store. It's just that a lot of people are like waiting for me outside and they're like, you wanted to go to the mall to go to Morphe and you're not gonna buy anything. That's like my mentality, because I told them like, let's go to the mall, you know. I'm a mall girl. I grew up in the city. I grew up in Manila and there's so many malls there. I feel like it's the thing, you know, like people love shopping there. So we went there in the Morphe store and I saw the Blue Blood palette. It was so beautiful. I swatched it in the store and it's so creamy, so pigmented, and there's nothing absolutely bad I can say about that palette. And the only reason why I didn't get it is because I felt like if I'm gonna be using it, I can only create a one look or a similar look over and over and over again. I'm not that like artistic when it comes to like the shadows. I'm just like a basic bitch that does like, I don't know. And that's probably the reason why I don't have like Naked Heat or like the Naked Cherry or something like that, because I feel like I'm gonna be creating the same look over and over and over again. Or like the look will be ever so similar with the last look that I have created using that palette. I don't know if I make any sense, but that's my only reason. And yeah, so I end up picking up this lip kit right here. It's a lip trio. I think it's made by a Lipstick Nick or something like that, but I'm not so certain. This is probably like a Morphe exclusive because I haven't really seen it at Ulta. So it says here, I curated these lip trios to take the guesswork out of choosing the right shades for your perfect lip. You're gonna look fierce. So this is $16. I use the code RedmanRock, and the reason why every time I'm like using a code, which is not a lot, like I don't really buy stuff online. It's very, very rare. So the reason why I chose RedmanRock is because every time I think about him, I think about his mom as well, and I think of Cleo, and I think of May, though May, she has her own thing, you know, she makes her own coin, but like, I think about his mom and I think about Cleo. That's pretty much it. I don't know, maybe I'm just being like too Filipino, because as I see it, I feel like he's the breadwinner. And I'm actually glad that he has achieved, or he had made it this far, because, you know, it's just his mom that's supporting him before. But yeah. Anyway, moving on. In this kit, which is the Caramel Nude, you will be getting one lipstick, one lip gloss, and one lip liner. So the lipstick is Boo. I already took out the product so that it's going to be easier for me to grab. So this is the lip gloss. It's in the shade Chill. It's not like super sticky. And this is what the applicator looks like. So for those of you guys that doesn't like a very sticky lip gloss, then this is going to be for you. And it smells yummy. So yeah, let me swatch it for you guys because you can't really see it on my lip. Oh, that snort was the dog. If you heard a sound that kind of like farts or whatever, that's the dog is like snorting in the back. Okay. This is what the lip gloss look like. And then you have the lip liner. This is actually my first time trying their lip products, so I thought that, you know what, this would be the perfect time for me to try the lip gloss, lipstick, and lip liner. And then kind of looks like that. You have to sharpen it up. And then the shelf life of this one is 12 months. I don't know why I can't talk. What's happening to me? Okay, this is in the shade Trendsetter. And then, don't worry, I'll make a separate video on this one. I don't want it to like consume so much of your time because it's already been, I'm looking at it and it's already 5 minutes. And then the lipstick in Boo. Now the packaging of the lipstick and the lip gloss is actually really beautiful. And they have the logo right there at the top. Almost like I don't even want to swatch it or try it on. But let's go ahead and... Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. And the whole reason why I picked this up is because it's almost similar to my favorite shade from Smashbox, which is Slay Tan. I mean, not really. I feel like Slay Tan is a little more dark. But I love this shade. It's just so gorgeous. So I'm trying them on today. I just tried the gloss and see how it wears, and then after that I'll be trying the lipstick and then the lip liner. Now moving on to the next item that I got at San Jose. Please don't laugh. I went to the Disney store because why not? I love the ambience inside the Disney store. I feel like I'm in an actual, you know, I feel like I'm literally in Disneyland. So every time I go inside the Disney store, John Ray goes inside and sits where the children sit. Where there's like a TV. You probably know what I'm talking about if your kid loves going there. Okay, so this is the first item that I got at the Disney store. Look at that. Isn't that so nice? Okay, I got this for, you know what? Get out. Guess how much this is. Okay, you ready? $15. Yes, original price is like around $35, I believe, or $30, so I'm pretty happy with it. It's all the Disney princes. See that? Can you guys name everybody? Put them in the comment box down below. I think there are like 12 or 13 guys there, and I think it's funny. I don't know why. I think it's fun. I don't know. I have like mixed feelings about this bag, but I like it. And one of the reasons why I bought it, aside from the design, is that it's big, okay? Like, it is big. And then the quality, it's thick. It's not like one of those flimsy bags. Now, this type of bag, I really feel like these are the ones that will last me for like forever. Because I wish you guys are here and can feel this. If you guys want to know what I'm talking about, you can visit the Disney store and you will notice even the zipper ones, they're good. They're not like cheap. It's not cheaply made, what I'm talking about. Like, it's just so sturdy and it's like, it's firm, and I just love it, okay? Inside, you can actually put something here. Let's see that. Another like pocket here. This is probably the last time that you're gonna watch a haul video of mine. There's like another pocket here. Place for you to put like an item here, probably like a water or whatever. And then this one has like a zipper into it. You can put your earpiece or whatever, your lip gloss, your keys. I think that this is really nice. I don't care what other people think. And then another item that I got at the Disney store is this Marvel Studios notebook. And I got it for only $4.99. Now, these are the really good like notebooks or like journals. It's so good. I love the fact that the outside of it, it's more like a faux leather. It has like a lot of imprints. And then, look at the design, guys. Hello? I was about to buy two, but like, ooh, look at that. This is for John Ray, by the way. Before I go ahead and give it to him, I kind of want to write like a simple note wherever here, and then before I give it to him. Now moving on to the item that I got at San Francisco. Now I've seen this multiple times already, and this is actually not the original color that I want, but since they are sold out of it, I picked this one instead. I'll probably buy that like next time. And the original one that I like, it was actually like white and hot pink or something like that, but this one consists of pink as well, because you guys know that I love pink, right? And it is more of like a jersey jacket. I think this is really pretty. And I got this in the store City Wear. Pier 39. I love Pier 39. I love going there. And then this is what it looks like. So it was on sale before. It was $39.95 and now it's $26.95. So I pretty much paid more of like $30 overall. Super cute. Oh my gosh. And then you have flag there. And then on the side. And then in the front, the CA here. And then here, you can read San Francisco. Let me try it for you guys. Hold on. Hold on, honey. I'm recording. So this is what the jacket looks like. This size is actually extra small. And I don't know, I just don't like the size of the small one because I feel like it's too baggy. I'm short, so I don't want anything like to be like too ginormous for me. And this one has like a lot of space anyway. And it was just so exact to me, in my opinion. Oh, there's nothing in the back, huh? Okay, anyway, I really love it. I really love this jacket. And it's just so comfortable. And it's not like super big. I love it. Can't wait to travel with this jacket. It's just so beautiful. So you guys can see. Oh, oops. Oh my gosh, people be bothering me. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And if you survived this video, congratulations. You didn't die in boredom. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.